Before you create your WordPress website, there's one important decision you need to make. How should everything be organized? With the right prompts, ChatGPT can help you plan your complete WordPress website structure. And once that structure is ready, you can use an AI website builder to turn it into a complete WordPress website in minutes. In this video, you'll learn how to use ChatGPT to plan your website structure and how to move from a ChatGPT-generated site architecture to a fully published WordPress site. Hey guys, it's James from Gigapress.net. Let's get started. Step 1. Give ChatGPT your business context. The first step is to explain your business, audience, and website goals. This is important because vague prompts usually produce generic results. For example, if you simply ask ChatGPT to create a website structure for my business, it doesn't know what type of business you run, who you want to reach, or what you want visitors to do. Instead, begin with a detailed context prompt like this. I am building a WordPress website for, describe your business in one sentence. My primary audience is, describe your target customer. My 3 main goals for the site are, Goal 1, Goal 2, Goal 3. My top competitors are, list 2 to 3 competitor URLs if you have them. Please keep this context in mind. I will ask you in the next prompt. This first prompt gives ChatGPT the context it needs before it begins planning your pages. It also creates a multi-step conversation rather than asking ChatGPT to produce everything in one response. Once ChatGPT confirms the context, you can move on to the actual site structure. Step 2. Generate your website structure. The next step is to ask it to organize your website. Type, based on the business context I provided, create a complete structure for a one-page WordPress website. Organize the sections in the order visitors should see them as they scroll down the page. For each section, include 1. The section name, 2. Its purpose, 3. The main content it should include, 4. The action visitors should take. Keep the structure simple, beginner-friendly, and focused on generating inquiries. So, imagine that we're building a website for a home cleaning company called Home Clean Services. For this tutorial, we'll keep this simple by creating a one-page website. Visitors can scroll through the website or use the navigation menu to jump directly to a specific section. Once you submit the prompt, ChatGPT should create an organized list of website sections. The first structure ChatGPT generates may not be perfect, so don't feel like you have to accept everything immediately. Review the sections, and if the structure feels too complicated, you can ask ChatGPT to simplify it. Keep only the sections that are essential for explaining the business, building trust, and encouraging visitors to request a quote. Once you're happy with your website structure, you don't need to copy each section individually. Instead, ask ChatGPT to combine everything into a single prompt that you can use to generate your WordPress website. For example, you can ask, based on everything we've created so far, create a complete prompt that I can use to build this website in an AI website builder. Now, go to app.gigapress.net. I'll add the link in the description so you can follow along. For this sample, we're going to select the free option, so click Generate for Free and create your free account. Once you've confirmed your email, you'll be taken to your Gigapress AI dashboard. From here, click Create your website. Now, Gigapress AI will ask you how you'd like to set up your website's address. I'll choose Start with a free Gigapress AI address. Enter your temporary website address, and then click Use this address. You can change your website address later when you're ready to publish your site. Next, select Create a new website. Enter your business name and choose the industry that best matches your business. I'm going to select Services. Now, here, you need to describe your business, or paste the complete prompt that ChatGPT generated for you earlier. Gigapress AI will use that prompt to understand your business, website goals, content, navigation, and overall structure. You can also upload your logo and customize your website's colors and fonts before generating your site. In just a few minutes, it'll generate a complete WordPress website based on the plan you created with ChatGPT. One of the great things about Gigapress AI is that you're never locked into the first version. If you'd like to add, remove, or update content, simply type your request into the message box, and Gigapress AI will update the page for you. Once you're happy with your website and you're ready to publish it, You'll be asked to choose your package and then launch your website live. After your website is live, you can continue managing everything directly from the WordPress dashboard, giving you full control over your website. And that's it! That's how easy it is to use ChatGPT to plan your website. And when you're ready to build it, Gigapress AI can turn that plan into a professional WordPress website in just a few minutes. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.